If you have a Squarespace website and you are walking through my pre-launch checklist, welcome back. And if you don't have a copy of the checklist, I'll drop a link below in the description so you can grab it. You probably just watched the video on setting up your Squarespace website's SEO description. In this video, we're checking a couple of other options in that settings panel to make sure they are correct before you launch. Okay, we're back in my website and we're going to hop back to the place we were in the video before. Now, if you remember correctly, you can get there by going to Settings, Marketing, and SEO Appearance, or we can go search for SEO Appearance. And here we are. Last video, we worked on the SEO title and the site description, and I wanted to keep this separate because I didn't want you to miss it. It's really important to make sure that your search appearance is set correctly for your pages and your items. Now, this is pre-populated by Squarespace, but sometimes these settings get changed and it gets weird, so I just want you to make sure it's correct. So for your pages, you want to make sure you have the % P, and then some delimiter, it could be a dash or a dot, whatever, and then %S. So this brings in your page title automatically and your site title automatically. And for items, these are things like blog posts or other parts of a collection. You want to make sure that it is the item title, which is %I, and then your delimiter, which is a dash, and then your website title, so %S. You could also type this out here if you want it. It doesn't matter, but I just want you to check and make sure that this says page, and then your site title, and this says item, and then your site title, and it's reflected down here. So if that's the way it is, you're golden. You can always make changes on a page level basis. I'm going to show you how to do that later. But for right now, we just want to make sure that these SEO settings are correct when you launch. If you found this helpful, please give the video a like below as it helps other people discover my videos. Thanks for watching, and I wish you all the best with your website.